Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Jay who studied in a Gurukul. Gurukuls are schools where children of kings and well-known people studied and acquired knowledge from their gurus. Students respected their gurus, and apart from studying, they did other work also. The Gurukul in which Jay studied, the Guru taught them to be good and honest. He often said that God is everywhere, and if anybody steals, lies, or does something wrong, God will get angry. Once, Guruji decided to test his students. Guruji called all the children and said that his daughter was about to get married and he did not have sufficient money to give her gifts, and therefore asked the students to bring something for him. When they returned from their homes after the holidays, the children said that they would surely bring the gifts. Guruji asked the children not to tell their parents about the gifts and do it secretly. That is, without telling their parents, they should bring whatever they could. The children agreed to it and went home. All the students returned and the next week, and everybody brought something for Guruji. Each one of them displayed what they had brought for Guruji. Guruji was surprised to see so many gifts. One bowl was full of money, another full of sweets, the other one full of vegetables, fruits, and so on. Guruji asked the students to point out one by one at their gifts. Everybody did that. When it was Jay's turn, everybody said that he has not brought anything. Guruji called him near and asked him that why he had not brought anything for him. The boy said that they were asked to take things from home where nobody was watching. But he was never alone. All the time somebody was watching him. Guruji thought that Jay could not bring gifts because he was never alone at home. But Jay said that there were times when he was alone at home, but God was watching him, and therefore he could not bring anything. Guruji was very happy to hear this. He embraced the boy lovingly and called all the children near him and said that he did not want anything for his daughter's wedding. He was just trying to test the students. Guruji said, "I always taught you that God is everywhere and is all our actions." And only Jay remembered that. All the children were very ashamed of their act and promised Guruji never to tell lies, steal, or do anything wrong. God is always present around us, and He is watching all our actions. One should think over twice before acting on anything. One should have a control on his tongue and actions. We cannot hide anything from God. Moral of the story: God is omnipresent.